that was a hard one. Did she beat you?
No, almost.
Who's ahead?
Me.
Yeah.
You do it all high and everything so nobody can reach it unless somebody can like super mess and it's like fly. So you're not playing.
Ooh, good, good. Okay, now you take some movies of me, okay?
Are you okay?
No, you broke my ribs. What is she doing here? Whoa! 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 I gotta come back down here. Whoa! What is that? Oh, it's bent, huh? Look at this. Who bent it? Mark bent it. Okay, you ready, Tiff?
What's Dad and Tiffany playing that game?
Here we go. One.
Tiffany's almost killing my dad.
Whoa! Uh-oh, thank you. That was for me. She gave it to me that time.
I'm still taping, Dad.
Okay. That reel's almost.
So and just go to the end.
Yeah, just keep shooting until it's over. Got it. You're good.
It's
Are you
blinking.
left-handed or right-handed? That's good. Then you should play this. Whoa! Whoa!
See, she
whoa.
does it so high, doesn't she?
Yeah, she hits it too high.
See,
But you
Tiffany,
can
I
get it high
told
back
you.
Too, you know?
It's tingled.
Good.
My eye keeps on itching.
It keeps getting tingled.
One.
Ah!
I think one more. Careful.
Tiffany's.
One more round and I win. Whoops, you came back. One. Ooh, one more. Watch it now.
You served last time. Well, you served twice. I'll wait until you're done, okay? What?
You what?
I'm waiting until she's practicing.
She's practicing. Good hit.
I'm in practice too.
What happened? What happened? What hurt?
Bambi.
Bambi. The
Bird.
baby. Bird.
Flower. Birdie flower.
Did we tell? Oh, you have? Do you have that movie?
Yeah. We have it, remember?
Did we? No. What is it? No. What do you like most of all?
I don't know.
Do you like me at all?
Yeah, don't like this. Please.
Did you like me making waffles for you?
Yeah, I didn't have any waffles. But
How's your diet coming along?
I don't know how my diet is coming along. I didn't eat any waffles. You're not making them for me, you're making them for yourself. You like to do that. You always said that if you don't do this on the weekends, you feel like you're missing something.
Right.
So it's not especially for other people, it's for yourself too.
Well, that's like saying, then why do you breathe? Well, do you breathe for me, or do you breathe? I was worn out too. They didn't take the charge we did in. Well, I was going to take it, so.
Okay.